Welcome to this detailed documentary on tractor manufacturing. In this video, we will explore how a powerful agricultural tractor is made inside a modern factory. From raw steel to a fully working machine, every step is carefully planned and executed. This process involves engineering, skilled labor, advanced machines, and strict quality control. Let us begin our journey inside the tractor manufacturing plant. The manufacturing process starts with raw materials. Large trucks bring steel sheets, iron rods, aluminum parts, rubber, plastic, and electronic components to the factory. Each material is unloaded carefully and checked for quality. Only approved materials are sent forward for production. Before production, engineers inspect the raw materials. They test strength, thickness, and durability. Any defective material is rejected immediately. Quality at this stage is very important because it affects the final tractor performance. Large steel sheets are cut into required shapes. Advanced laser cutting and hydraulic cutting machines are used. These machines ensure perfect size and smooth edges. Each cut piece will later become part of the tractor body or frame. The chassis is the backbone of the tractor. Heavy steel parts are welded together to form a strong frame. Robotic welding machines ensure accuracy and strength. This frame supports the engine, transmission, and all major components. The engine block is made using casting methods. Molten metal is poured into specially designed molds. After cooling, the solid engine block is removed. This block will later house pistons, crankshaft, and other engine parts. The engine block goes through machining. CNC machines drill holes and shape internal surfaces. Extreme precision is required here. Even a small error can affect engine efficiency. Now engine parts are assembled. Pistons, crankshaft, camshaft, valves, and fuel injectors are installed. Workers use Torx tools to tighten bolts accurately. After assembly, the engine is ready for testing. Each engine is tested on a test bench. It is run at different speeds and loads. Engine noise, vibration, fuel efficiency, and emissions are checked. Only approved engines move to the next stage. The transmission system transfers power to the wheels. Gears, shafts, and clutches are assembled carefully. Heat-treated gears ensure durability and smooth operation. This system allows the tractor to operate at different speeds. Axles and differentials are assembled next. These parts allow wheels to rotate at different speeds while turning. Heavy-duty components are used for tough agricultural conditions. Proper lubrication is added to reduce friction. The hydraulic system is essential for lifting tools. Hydraulic pumps, valves, and cylinders are installed. This system allows the tractor to lift plows and other equipment. Pressure testing ensures leak-free operation. The steering system controls direction. Steering column, steering box, and hydraulic assist are installed. Smooth steering is important for operator comfort. Each system is tested for easy movement. Strong brakes are critical for safety. Brake discs, drums, and hydraulic lines are installed. Braking efficiency is tested under load conditions. Only perfect systems are approved. Electrical wiring is installed carefully. This includes headlights, indicators, dashboard, sensors, and battery cables. Wires are routed safely to prevent damage. Electrical systems are tested for reliability. Fuel tanks, fuel lines, and filters are installed. Leak testing is done to avoid safety risks. Proper fuel flow ensures engine performance. Clean fuel delivery increases engine life. The operator area is assembled. Seat, pedals, levers, and dashboard are installed. Comfort and visibility are important for long working hours. Controls are positioned for easy access. Metal body panels are pressed into shape. Hydraulic press machines form hoods, fenders, and covers. These panels protect internal components. They also give the tractor its final shape. Painting is done in special paint booths. First, anti-rust coating is applied. Then multiple layers of paint are sprayed. This protects the tractor from corrosion and weather. Painted parts are dried in controlled chambers. After drying, workers inspect the paint quality. Any defects are corrected. This ensures a smooth and durable finish. All major components come together. Engine, transmission, axles, and body panels are mounted on the chassis. Bolts are tightened with precision tools. The tractor now looks complete. Heavy-duty tires are installed. Tires are designed for strong grip on soil. Proper air pressure is checked. Wheel alignment is adjusted carefully. The complete tractor goes through final inspection. Engine start, braking, steering, hydraulics, and lights are tested. Noise and vibration levels are checked. Only fully approved tractors move forward. Each tractor is driven on a test track. It is tested on slopes, rough roads, and load conditions. This ensures real-world performance. Any issue is fixed immediately. Finally, the tractor is cleaned and prepared for delivery. Protective covers are added. Documents and manuals are included. The tractor is now ready to help farmers around the world. Thank you for watching this complete tractor manufacturing process. This complex journey shows how engineering and teamwork create powerful machines. If you enjoyed this detailed factory documentary, don't forget to like and subscribe.